All right, now that we have our chicken in, we're gonna move on to our cream cheese. We are gonna make this chicken creamy taco stew. My kids love this. We're gonna do 2 packs of cream cheese, 2 bricks as we call them at my house. Doesn't matter how it goes in. And we're gonna do our Rotel. Make sure it gets all over the chicken. We're gonna do 2 cans of Rotel, 2 of everything. 2 cans of everything, and I'm just using the original. And then we're gonna get our taco seasoning. I use 2 packets. 2. Get every last spice. My kids sure do love this. Go to the ball fields in the morning. I put this on, and then lunch, dinner is ready. 2 cans of black beans. And now, last, we're gonna do our corn. Just regular sweet corn. And that's all you do. All right, now that you have all your ingredients in, you're gonna put your crock pot lid on and you're gonna cook it for 4 to 6 hours on high until the chicken is done. Okay, the house smells delicious. It's been going for, say, 6 to 7 hours. And let's smell it with it open. Oh, that's so nice. Now what we wanna do is we wanna shred the chicken. And when we shred the chicken up, oh, it's shredding so nice. It soaks up all that juicy liquid and tomato juice and cream cheese. Look how easy that's shredding. And as you're doing that, you're just mixing it all up. My kids love this. My kids love to eat this with Tostitos, especially the scoops, but they also like to eat it with Fritos. You can put it on a burrito. It is so yummy. This is the only meal that every single one of my kids eats, and my husband loves it because it's got lots of flavor and it's creamy. And that's it. That's all you do. So now it's time to taste. So now I'm gonna eat mine with some Fritos. Yummy. It's like chili, it's like a stew. Just getting ready for the, oh, it might be hot. Let me get a piece here with some Fritos, some chicken, some corn, a little bit of everything.